Imagine you had an X-ray scanner like the one we know from airport security check for your corporate network. A scanner which would look at every single item which is passing through and into the network. And it would intelligently detect threats and eliminate them. Such a system now does exist. Adyton Systems has developed a next-generation firewall which implements this operation principle. Adyton Systems is a German company which has been developing IT security solutions for the international market for several years. The basic principle of our firewall is indeed very comparable to such an X-ray scanner. And this X-ray scanner works differently from what we normally think. They are not scanning for threats like guns, knives, and since recently also bottles of water, but instead they are actually looking at every single item and they have to positively identify each and every item inside your luggage. And as soon as there is something unknown, even if it doesn't look dangerous or suspicious, it has to be taken out of the bag, identified, inspected, and only if it's known to be non-dangerous, then it's allowed to pass. So everything needs to be known and understood. We have implemented the same principle in our next generation firewall, which we have built from scratch. We call this principle full validation whitelisting, which means for a data network that every single data transmission coming into the network or trying to leave the network is fully scanned, and only if it's understood and validated, then it's allowed to pass. This means that nothing unknown can enter or leave the network. And with this approach, our firewall can even prevent zero-day attacks. Zero-day attacks are attacks where there are no known attack patterns, so they are not detected by legacy security solutions. A good example for such an attack is the Operation Aurora, which happened recently, and the attackers were targeting over 30 international companies, among them Adobe, Google and Juniper. And what happened during the attack was that the hackers hacked into several computers inside these organizations, and from these computers they spread throughout the networks, hacked into other larger systems. From there they have stolen significant amounts of data. The companies did not confirm which data or how much data was stolen, but they did confirm that valuable data was stolen. Our system would have prevented this type of attack, because due to its full validation whitelisting architecture, it would not have understood and validated this zero-day attack, which was the start of this attack. And so if we don't understand it, we would naturally block it. And for this reason, this attack would not have happened. In addition to this architectural feature, we also provide all the standard security functions which are known from firewall solutions in the market. So we feature a signature-based application control, a virus filter, an intrusion prevention system, and a web filter. Despite this combination of many different security functions, this has not a negative impact on overall performance and throughput of the system. At the same time, it's very easy and intuitive to install and maintain, and for this reason it can be deployed both in very small but also in very large enterprise network environments. Our name is Adyton Systems, and Adyton Systems, this means maximum security for your network.